the base that PwC had laid for me, that I knew that this is the way that you can make a difference, you can add value. Towards the end of my articleship, then I came to know that there is an opportunity in the newly opened division in PwC called the Information Systems Risk Management, or the ISRM practice. I'm talking about 25 plus years, when even globally the concept of information risk and information systems was very new and nascent. Later, it became part of the overall umbrella of risk consulting. So I got opportunity to do some internal audit projects, some risk management projects, which at that point of time I didn't realize, but later in my career, when I went to the industry, I worked as a chief risk officer, chief compliance officer, and all those CXO roles came to me because I had the knowledge and experience from that risk consulting practice of PwC. Mr. Jaydeep Ganguly, he was my reporting partner in risk consulting when I was really moving from a consultant onto the managerial role. From a mentoring as what it takes to the shift to become a managerial person from an execution person. So shaping yourself as a person to shaping yourself as a professional, right? The next partner whom I worked with, who is also still the risk consulting leader in PwC, is Shiva. Any problem, any very technical matter, I knew that in the firm, if there is somebody I can go to, it's Shiva. What we learned is how to do client servicing. Of course, like for example, if I am delivering a project, PwC has their own knowledge bank, their methodology, etc. But how to cater it, how to customize it for the client. All these learnings of client servicing, being in the service industry, being in consulting is, I think, the primary thing. Every role has been different. Every role I had to learn a lot, right? I have to study a lot to bring myself up to that. I was pretty passionate about Indian handlooms always. When at one point of my life I wanted to do something different from consulting, something different from cyber and information security and risk, I thought of why not. And it was my husband also, he kind of said that you always had that as a passion area. The consciousness, right, among the women or among the people of India about rich tradition of hand-woven clothing, hand-woven sarees is still very less. I do it, I have established the supply chain to connect the weavers to the connoisseurs and to the customers. But at the same time, I do a lot to educate those people, those women about why handloom. Cybersecurity till today is looked at in the industry in general as the back end, right? It is not the front end service. Like a sales is a front end service. Now, how do you get that consciousness or get that education among your executive management, among your board? Is by telling them or by linking them to the fact that cyber is an integral part of the business. So the first lesson I tell them is that make yourself business focused, make yourself customer focused, educate and talk to your team, to your specifically executive management and the board. Take your opportunity, learn, be open to work, be open to travel. There is no stopping for you, right? PwC will always give the opportunity. And as I say that, it was my dream time. Those 13.5 years, excluding my articleship, was the best time of my career. I always tell that what I am today as a person, as a professional, is because what PwC laid the base for me. So everybody has that chance. It is for you to grab it.